you here. On today's first ever Pioneer Graduates Reunion Batch 1989 from Medical, Technical, and Vocational Education here in our alma mater, Polytechnic School of Imus W. School. Apart from our dean, where they're not here, professors we have people here, Thelma, your administration's staff as well. We're the other one. You! You're there! Ano na kasi pangalan? Ma'am Shirley, our beautiful mentor. Okay? Every one of us are special guests then. Okay? So, yeah, that's it. Apart from it is a common knowledge that our PCCS alma mater has vastly expanded over the years, where a nursing degree and many other courses were created. Congratulations, PCCS, but they're not around here with us. So, yeah, just relay this message to them. And being the medical and technical or vocational overall president at that time, I am so proud of what PCCS has become today. And we, batch of 1989, this is really good general message to everybody, are so proud of what PCCS has become nowadays. Reunions are celebratory gatherings, times for reacquaintances for classmates, times for recollections about our youth, our innocence, time to reflect on the passions we felt to pursue every dream, every opportunity the world put before us. Back in 1989, we were filled with a healthy dose of hubris and humility. On the good days, a higher conscience of humility, and on the other days, more hubris. Research na lang kung ano yung hubris. But ano lang yan, yung ating pride being a student. Today, we understand those expectations used well in great measures and illusions. Over the decades, life presented us with a more complex palette than we envisioned in 1989. And our destiny has been so to make the most of the shades of gray before us. Charles Dickens once said, it was the best time, period. Those with a PCCS college education know that life is a series of intertwining concentric circles of hard work, friendship, love, good fortune, near misses, sadness, elations, and boredom. It is rare to catch the brass of green every time the carousel goes around. It was the best times, it was the worst of times. Over the last 36 years, you said, many of us found professions, pastimes, loves, and lovers that fired our passions and gave us the steady glow of gratification. Each of us wore the trail that best suited our personalities, talents, and circumstances. On many occasions, we raised glasses together and toasted moments of joyous success and good fortune. Hooray! As many of us have many grandchildren already. Along with these satisfactions, however, we also felt the pain, loss, and disappointment, personal and professional. We suffered illnesses, death, tragedies, and shared episodes of great sadness. In other words, we've led normal lives with exuberant moments of sorrowful seasons. I need not remind those here today that the roadmap we are presently following is coming to a new arrival point. We're touching to the gate. Memories are often stronger than aspirations. I've watched the spheres of technology swirl around. Remember those days without computers? Pagandahan ng sulat kamay, sulat sa blackboard. Yeah, it was a great purpose, and one day I'm going to prove that to someone. The journey remains the same, however. To get to that point, we have a sense of technical and vocational study, and will we call this as a transportation problem. Likewise, in the medical study, midwifery department, learning the basics maths as ECDC. Who are midwives here? Only 3 of us. Okay, what this ECDC means? Expected date of confinement. Kung kailan mananganak ng isang buntis. Okay, to those who has a career building business, teaching and advising the next generations of students, whether our children, grandchildren, and the children of others. It is how best to engage the minds and the talents they bring along the road, as well as to take into account the nature of the road itself, whether the path are narrow or wide, rocky or smooth, steep or level, whether the talents are latent or finely honed. We progress from marker to marker, sometimes reaching the summit, and other times just getting to the base camp at the end of a weary day. Even when a few of our colleagues have laid rest along the way. Tama ba? Okay, for our generations, the marker have been eternal as well as external. Sure, money is important, but so is inner satisfaction. We strive to do good in order to do well. We succeed as best we can so that success can be bestowed upon others. Lest any of you forget the fact we are in our waning years. Moses lived until 120 years old. I guess we won't live that long like Moses. Some of us spend time thinking about the roads not taken. Others wonder it will be like when we reach the stop sign. We have fewer years ahead than we want. We've left much of our children and grandchildren to search for. Statistics will not predict our future. Most of us have already beaten the odds. On our graduation in 1989, we were emboldened to conquer the dragons that lay ahead. At our 20th, 30th, 40th, we were still sowing our oats, looking for that elusive happiness. Mabuhay our beloved alma mater, Batch 1989! Today, let me end with a quote. The wind's rising, we have to try to live. Nonetheless, guys, I would like to thank each and every one of us gathered here today in today's event, especially our batchmate, PC Sanchez, Arman Balimet, Freddy Dumangas, and friends who made this Pioneer Batch reunion a great success. God's blessings in our heads, many of the PCDS class 1989, and on the women and men who surround us. Peace, love, and happiness be with us all. Oh my God, I'm sweating. Well, by the way, before we start our, I know you're hungry, guys. Like me, I'm sweating a lot. So, I want to have one parlor games to start with. Okay, are you ready? I already posted this in our chat group. Are you ready?